Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a slip knot. So I am using some leather cord, but you can use whatever type of textile you want. This works really well for yarn, for Eslon, other fibers as well. So slip knots are great because they're really easy to undo and they are adjustable. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the yarn around my fingers, or actually I'm using leather cord. So I'm going to wrap the leather cord around my fingers to make a loop. Then I am going to, so you see the top of the loop is here. Here's the base of the loop. I'm going to go through the loop and grab one end of my cord. And I'm going to pull it through, but I'm going to keep it in loop form. And there we have a slip knot. And you can pull it to adjust the size. Now, what's also nice about a slip knot is you can also just pull it out. So I'm just going to keep pulling, and it disappears. So I'm going to show that to you again. I'm going to go around my fingers to make a loop. So we just crisscrossed it. So now this end, which is going on top of it, I'm going to hold down. So I'm just pinching where it crosses. I'm going to go into my loop, grab the other end of cord, pull it through like so, and we've got that slip knot. And you can see we make it larger, we make it smaller, and when we're all done with it, if we want to, if we're going to be all done with it, you just pull it out. Super easy to do, and like I said, you can do it with all different types of textiles. I know a lot of times if you're doing crochet or using yarn, you start it with your yarn, with your crochet with a slip knot, and then you can adjust it as needed. Okay, just like so. There's your knot. Nice and adjustable, and gone. I'll do it on the table if you're still watching. There you go, crisscross it, hold it down, pull on through, and so, and then when you want to make it smaller, just like so. And that is how you make a slip knot. If you want to know how to make other types of knots, especially with leather and cord, go over to our website, beadaholique.com. We have lots of jewelry making projects using knots and leather cord and textiles and fibers, and we can teach you on our other instructional videos how to make other types of knots as well.